Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you how to change the PIN or password on your Android phone. This is useful if you want better security or if you simply want to update your current lock screen password. Open the Settings app. The Settings app is where you can control and manage all of your phone's main features and security options. Now scroll down and you see the lock screen and AOD security or a similar option depending on your phone's brand. Tap on it, then look for an option screen lock type or biometrics and security. Tap on it to continue. At this point, your phone will ask you to verify your identity. Enter your current PIN, password or pattern so the system knows that it's really you making the changes. After verification, you will see several lock options available. These usually include PIN, password, pattern, and sometimes biometric options like fingerprint or face unlock. To change your current lock method, tap on the option you want to use. For example, if you want to set a new PIN, select PIN. Now type your new PIN and confirm it by entering it again. After that, tap OK, save or confirm depending on your device. Your new lock screen PIN or password will now be successfully updated. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with friends, and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tutorials.